I'm going to start off by adding some lip balm, prep my lips, and then I'm going to do my base, a good foundation, some contour, define my face. I'm going to then really just define my eyebrows, have a good strong brow to start off my makeup. I'm going to add some blush, set everything with powder. So the base is done. I'm going to do some minimal eye makeup. So I'm going to be doing my eyeshadow along with some blush on my brow bones. Been loving that. I'm also going to be showing you guys my eyeliner trick so you can actually see how I do it. I like to define the inner corners, also fill in my eyeliner with some dark eyeshadow powder so that it's not a shiny eye wing. And moving on to my lips, I'm going to be mixing 3 or 4 colors, you guys. I love doing a good nude, pinky nude lips. So this is how I do my lips. All the products are linked down below. I hope you guys have so much fun this Onam, but this look is complete. And how gorgeous is this beautiful sari and this amazing jewelry from Suvitamara Designs. Please check them out. All of this is linked in the description.